Following an upgrade to Sentencing Guidelines version 4.2, some users may report an unreadable database. That's simply because a different database has been deployed with the new release. To just get around this problem, we just need to firstly close Sentencing Guidelines, bring up the application running tray, that's double-clicking the Home button, click and hold on Sentencing Guidelines, click the minus key, and you can restart Sentencing Guidelines. So once you've started release 4.2, you can see we have a new What's New page, just a summary of what's been added in this release. You can also see previous updates. We have some help for how to do subscriptions, and we'll just run through that process with you in a second. So there's some reference there. We also have Magistrates Association content, and this is only available to Magistrates Association members. And again, we'll show you how to do that. And as you do updates into the application, we will actually list what's been updated in recent updates. So first thing we're going to do is register for a new account. So I'm just going to type in my registration. I'm just going to put a password in, an email address in. Enter a username, and I'll just use my own name. And a password. And I can click the sign up button, and that'll then generate a new account. I already have an account created, which I've used to access our support site. So I'm going to log in using that account, and this is quickly done. Entered my password, and I log into that account. And once I'm logged in, I can then manage my account, and if I am a Magistrates Association member, I can type in my Magistrates registered surname and my Magistrates Association number. This number I'm putting in here is obviously a fake number, so don't try it. And just validate that number, and if that correctly matches the record held by the Magistrates Association, that's then given me a login and verification as an MA member. Having logged in as an MA member, I can then view any Magistrates Association content that's deployed with the application or updated to the application. And I can also go through to manage my subscriptions. So I continue to get data updates until the end of May 31st, 2013. There are some updates available, and those can just be downloaded into the application. I've got a collection of LASPO 2012 resources that we thought we should provide as we're waiting for more useful information from elsewhere. Now, to extend my subscription for updates beyond 2013, I can click the subscriptions button. Because I'm an MA member, I can go ahead and make a purchase for this subscription. It just takes a few seconds to connect to the iTunes website, and I'm purchasing this as an in-app purchase, non-renewable, just 12 months subscription, and that's now purchased. I just need to enter my password for my Apple iTunes account. That confirms my subscription purchase until the 31st of May 2014. And that data is then updated upon the top of the update screen. Notice that the subscription button has disappeared and will not reappear until 2 months before the end of your current subscription, just trying to prevent you from accidentally buying 10 years of updates when you may be retiring. Okay, just a quick run through the updates within this application. We have a slight change to the way you get to different sortings of offences or different bench books, we have a little control at the top. So to search by Act, we can just click on that. And we did download some LASPO resources, so you'll notice by Act of Parliament there's a whole range of different things for LASPO. So implications of LASPO, bail and remand. There's some useful content you can run through there. A couple of slight changes to the tools or calculators menus. Now call it tools because there's more in there. We still have the Find Calc, speeding, excess alcohol, in charge and drive, disqualification dates, overweight vehicles. We have a checklist for search warrants. You can also jump down to police information. This is the grade of information used within that search warrant request. And we also have just all the oaths, just in case you don't have those to hand. We have pronouncements or directions to be made when a case is adjourned for trial. And we also have some useful bail decision forms which are available for indictable only or either way, adult defendants, both there. And just a quick update on dates. Adjournment dates, we've also given you the number of days for that adjournment, just to give you additional information. And that's essentially the updates to the tools. The only other reiteration is if we get into court bench books, you click the top button to get to the other bench books, and the same with pronouncement cards. First time in, we just give you a little display of what those buttons do. So you can see all the pronouncement cards displayed there. That concludes a quick update on Release 4.2.